Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to request to join someone's TikTok live. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead to open up TikTok. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the live section. Okay, and after that, go ahead and find a live video that got, this icon. Alright, or this two-person icon. What you'll do is just tap on it, and then just basically tap on request. Okay, you can tap on settings right here to change your live status. Who can see your live status? Everyone, followers, or no one? Okay, and again, just tap on request right here, and if this live streamer approves, well, you'll be in a live together. That's basically it. That is how you request to join someone's TikTok live. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.